Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. Let's make cranberry juice.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J. The food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop.
My way of keeping my cranberries a little bit longer is to store them in the freezer. And I can keep them up to 4 months in the freezer. So that's what I normally do. I put them in a freezer bag, and yes, it can have a longer life on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash these cranberries and remove any bad one that's in it. Okay? Cranberries have great health benefits. It prevents urinary tract infection, and I think that might be the number one in all this do. It can prevent urinary tract infection, otherwise known as UTI. It also prevents cavities, reduce inflammations, and maintain digestive health. Cranberries also improve your heart health, and it also prevents cancer. Please do your diligent research on cranberries. Cranberries also have some side effects to it, so please do your research. So now that I have my cranberry wash, I already have a pot on the fire halfway, like about 4 quarts of water. And now I'm adding my cranberries. And I'm going to have this boil for 1 hour. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, just go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future uploads. Right here in Sister J's Kitchen, I do things my way, my version, and my style. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the pot start to bubble up. Yes. And the cranberries will slowly change its color. Okay? So, yes, this is what the cranberries looks like after boiling for 1 hour. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the stove off, and I'm gonna put this to cool, and then I'm gonna strain them off. Okay? Yes, guys. So now it's cool. I'm gonna strain it. So this is what my cranberry juice look like. Rich and thick too. Guys, if you love cranberry like me, go ahead and buy some cranberries and make your own cranberry juice. You're not gonna regret it. And this is what I use to strain it a second time, my nut bag. Yes, it's tearing up the bag though, but it's okay. But, get the extra little particles out. And now I'm just gonna pour it in the pitch. And see my cranberry juice, guys? You ready to drink? But I'm adding some sugar to it. Not too much of sugar, but enough for taste. When it comes to cranberry juice, you sweeten it to your liking. You can use honey or you can use sugar. At the moment, I'm using some sugar. Okay? So now all we need is some ice and cranberry ready. So here I'm serving cranberry juice. I love this juice. and I love this recipe. If you find this video of any benefits, please share it out with your friends and family. Give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more. From Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, where I talk about food, I cook food, and of course, I eat food. Thanks for watching.